Hi. You know, I've been working on my piece today, as you've seen, and I need to be honest with you, okay? I'm not used to working off of someone else's art. It almost sucked working off of that face that Dennis made for me, and you know, it was really hard for me, and I was kind of in this mood all day long because of it. And I had a hard time. Dennis is very methodical, and he's very good, mind you, okay? He is the king, okay, with special orders. He can precisionally mark everything off and cut it exact and very mathematical, okay? I chop away. So, I want to show you, okay, this is what I did today. I like him. Arr! He looks a little angry, maybe. I like him better now that I've had a glass of wine. And Max. Max likes him too. So I just wanted to share that with you. Okay, honestly, I had a really hard time working with those pieces in the beginning, or this piece here, and I had to stop because I know that later in the day you will, or the next day rather, you will feel a lot better. I think he looks pretty good. I'm happy with him, and it's the life as an artist. So, of course, Dennis is down the road with his buddy, and he should be here with me. Or we should be off onto the beach with the dogs, right? But here I am alone, which is okay too, because I really enjoy my alone time. Anyway, without going into it further, me and Max. Hi, Max. Where's your frisbee? Where is it? Get it. Get the frisbee. Get the frisbee. Get the frisbee. And there's Annie. So, we'll see you next time, and as I'm sure as this little series moves along, I will become more honest with you and share with you some very interesting aspects of the life of an artist on the Olympic rainforest of Washington. Stay tuned. It could get very, very interesting.